A special ceremony is being planned to mark the 20th anniversary of the 9/11 attacks. It will take place at Coon Rapids High School the afternoon of September 11th. You may recall a similar ceremony took place back in 2011 to mark the 10th anniversary of the terrorist attacks. Officer Brian Plotz of the Coon Rapids Police Department is organizing the event, which will include speakers, a flyover, and fireworks. He's hoping for a big turnout, just like 10 years ago.
We use the term never forget, and our goal here is to not forget. And we're 20 years removed from it now. A lot of the people that are going to be in those stands weren't even alive for it. So it's important to us to remind them, what this country went through and how that unified this country.
The 20th anniversary commemoration will take place Saturday, September 11th at Coon Rapids High School. A meet and greet with members of the armed forces and first responders starts at noon, followed by the ceremony at 2 p.m. At the conclusion of the ceremony, there will be a procession of vehicles to Fire Station 1, where an I-beam from the World Trade Center is on permanent display outside the station.